So you're going to create a newscast. So I want you to think about what is the most memorable news report you've seen? What's something that's memorable to you that you've seen? Could be on climate change, but it could just be a news report that you've visually seen, and it was like it caught your attention to look at.
Oh, I don't know. It was when Michael Jackson died.
Ah.
I remember that one.
So you remember, so someone famous died and made you remember it. Anybody else? Yes?
All the COVID cases.
All the COVID cases. So looking at that and thinking about the different people that have gotten sick with that and watching the numbers, sort of the statistics might be something that caught your attention.
Very serious issue that's plaguing Searingtown fifth graders, and that is forgetting gym clothes. Forgetting gym clothes is a very serious subject, and nothing new for fifth graders since they had to start doing this fourth grade. We're going to go to our reporter live on the scene, Mr. Duggar. Mr. Duggar? Thank you, Mr. Duggar. We're live just outside the large gym.
When he did that, what were some things that made it stand out to you? Yeah, Theory.
The intro and outro, and how it made it like a real report.
So he made it into a real report. Even though it was kind of a silly topic, he still made it sound like a real report. How about you, LaFreddy, pretended to change people? So he pretended to change people. He sent the telecast off to somebody else. Which happened to So you are going to create one that is the effects of climate change. So the effects of climate change on us. And you're going to research your script. There's a template provided. We'll pull that up in just a minute. In fact, you can go ahead and pull it up in Canvas. So go to Canvas, pull up the script. It's in Module 2, Lesson 7. Module 2, Lesson 7. The last lesson of Unit 2. And you'll see down the page, there is a Flipgrid script for you to pull up. You'll also see in the lesson, when you get ready to record, there is a code for you to select here. You can click on the hyperlink to Flipgrid, put in the code, and it will take you there. So be sure that you do that. And your video has to be between 1 minute and 2.5 minutes, somewhere in there. So let's take a look at what you're going to do. So your purpose is to write a script and create a Flipgrid news report about the effects of climate change in Virginia Beach and the Hampton Roads area and what the future holds for us here. You can work by yourself or you can work with a partner. If you decide to work with a partner, you will use a little bit of a different script. So you're going to use the template and the links below, and you're going to create your script. So there are 5 different links, and this is all information that is right here in our area for Tidewater and Virginia Beach. So you'll use that information if you need more. I'm not going to go through each one of the links. And then you have a script that you're going to follow. So if you're doing this by yourself, you'll notice that the script template for one person is the first one. So this will be you doing the whole newscast. If you want to have a partner, you'll use the second one. And with the second one, it's going to take you to the second partner. The first partner will start, it'll take you to the second partner. So you're going to do effects of climate change in Virginia Beach, and you're going to do what the future holds for us in Virginia Beach, okay? Once you're done, then you will go back into the lesson and go to Flipgrid, put your join code in, right here, and copy it, then go to Flipgrid. And it will have you enter your code, which you can enter right there. Any of y'all ever use Flipgrid? So, a lot of you have, some of you hadn't. And then you'll simply join in there. And once you're ready, you'll add a response. Be sure that you allow both the microphone and the camera when it asks you that. And then you can, of course, mine is pointed. There, at least in the class back there. And you have backgrounds you can use, so you can use different backgrounds if you want to. You have effects, and in the effects, you can add in pictures. So you can add in pictures, you can add in text if you need to. So if you go to media, because you need to add some pictures in, you'll have to download them to your Chromebook, and then you can add them in here. And then you can put them beside you if you want to. You can put them between the frames if you want to. And you have a few other options there. So you have these tools at the bottom of Flipgrid to help you fancify.
This is Noah reporting from Kempsville High School at Noah's News, and today I'm going to report on the sea level rising here at Virginia Beach. Here at Virginia Beach, the sea level is rising, and it has already risen by 14 inches since 1950. As you can see on the graph shown in the picture here, the sea.
Hi, my name is Elijah London, and today I'm reporting live to you today from your local Kempsville High School news station. And today we're going to be talking about local global climate change. In the past few years, temperatures have gone up by 1.2 degrees, and that means things are getting hot, folks.